Dear participants, this video will provide you a basic tutorial on how to use GatherTown and Padlet, platforms utilized within the networking section of Force Displacement and Urban Management. A friendly information, GatherTown works best on laptop or desktop and using Firefox or Google Chrome as the browser. First of all, we can open our browser and insert the GatherTown link provided on our website. Once connected, kindly allow the GatherTown to access our device's microphone and camera. After that, we can adjust our chosen avatar for GatherTown and then rename ourselves, adjust our camera, microphone, and speaker, and join the gathering. Once you are in, you can choose either to learn the basics or directly enter GatherTown space by clicking Skip Tutorial. Entering GatherTown space, you will see this user interface. At the bottom of your screen, you will find the control panel menus, which are emote icon. You can choose raise until wave hand here, share screen, minimap to see the space, and then you will also see your character avatar and your name, which you can click and edit. On your left screen, you will also see several features, including a feature to see the list of participants, a chat feature, and also you can do your setting there. Let's move forward. We can use the arrow on our keyboard, up, down, left, right arrow to move and direct our avatar to the place we want to visit. And whenever we meet an interactive object, such as the map here, we can click X on our keyboard to interact with the object. Now, let's move. You can see the map of GatherTown space. Just press X and you will see the blueprint of the space. Let's move to our left and we will have our guiding board, which will help you to understand the GatherTown platform better. As mentioned on the board, we can also communicate with other avatars too. How? First, just get closer with the avatar that you want to talk with. If you want to have such conducive conversation, ask the other avatars to enter a private space with you. We have some private spaces in our space, symbolized with a set of chairs and tables. If we want to specifically look for someone, just click the participant menu on your left screen, click the name of the avatar you want to communicate with, and you will be able to choose locate on map or follow. Later on, if you wish to unfollow the avatar, just click unfollow. If you are willing to chat with someone, just choose the chat feature on your left screen and you can choose either to chat with all avatars, the avatars nearby, or directly to an avatar. We will also see this important configuration. It's little tips for you that we think it would be better if you set this configuration up in settings window. Click settings icon, then check out to enable smart zoom mode and disable auto idle muting mode. And then you can press and hold Z key and your avatar will be dancing. If we go to our right, we will find the information desk. Kindly visit this booth or chat our technical team if you need the assistant to run this platform. Moving on to the other right, we will see another board, mark your point board, and if we press X, we will be connected with Padlet platform. This Padlet platform will allow us to post any progress or work that we have done. Kindly find the pink button there and then click it. Write your title, choose your supporting documents such as website link, brochure, PDF, etc. And also write down the description of your work or progress. Click publish and you are done. You can also see others people's work and progress here and maybe get a little knowledge exchange. Now let's go on a tour. You will find private spaces, virtual booths, several rooms in which the organizers and the other organizations will stand by and communicate with you. These are the example of the private spaces. So where there are chairs or tables, it means that it will be dedicated as a private spaces. Within those rooms and booths, you will see the organization information and you will meet at least one representative per organization that is able to communicate with you. Now let's go around this space. And please note that this space utilized for making the tutorial is unfinished, and you will actually be able to see more of the space during the conference day. I hope this tutorial can help you to understand GatherTown better, and yeah, and enjoy the networking session and also the conference. Looking forward to meeting you.